In this video, we'll show you how to add an RFID card or a PIN code to your profile or any other user in just a few simple steps. First, we go to the menu and select our user. Inside the user profile, we tap on Tokens, then choose Add New Token. From the options available, we select RFID card. When prompted, we hold the card close to the reader. As soon as the system detects the RFID, it appears on the screen. We give it a name, card, and save. From this point on, the card has access to everything the user has access to. To assign a card to another user, go back to the menu. After Settings, choose Users, then select, for example, User 2. Repeat the same process, go into the Tokens, tap Add New Token, and scan the card. Rename it to User 2 for clarity. You can also assign a PIN code to this user. Choose to add a PIN token. Name it as you want it to appear in the history, like User 2, and set the PIN code. For example, 456852. Make sure it's at least 6 characters and secure enough. And just like that, the new user now has full access using both RFID and PIN entry. Check out our PIERRE Academy tutorial playlist and see you in the next video.